What is going on, YouTube? It is your boy Deb, guys. Y'all see what time it is. You see what I got on? I got on my FLG tee, and today is the day I've been looking forward to for a long time, guys. We are headed to the Fastlane D meetup here in our area, Cleveland, Ohio. We are about to go kick it. About to give y'all a little tour of all the bikes rolling with us. And y'all, we are headed to the pre-meet spot. We are about to kick it, boys. Stay tuned. So, of course, we got the Roll Glide over here looking good, as always. She all cleaned up there. We got my homie Dom's bike. We got the homie Jay on 2s lined up out here looking good. We got Pops over there looking good. And then we got Steve out here. Some of y'all, if y'all OGs to the channel, y'all remember this beautiful bike here that Pops used to own back in the day. She has a new owner now. Steve takes good care of her, y'all, and it's a beautiful bike, man. Beautiful, man. So y'all, I'm excited, man. I've been looking forward to this event for so long. Huge shout out to Fastlane D and the Fastlane gang for coming to Cleveland, y'all. We don't have any events like this, so this really has been giving me something to really look forward to. And y'all, it's about to be a movie, man. Just wait. I think it's gonna be hundreds of bikes at this pre-meet. I got the Insta 360 set up, so we about to kick it, y'all. We are about to kick it. Been looking forward to this, man. Dang. So excited. Boys, we have made it to the pre-meet spot. Y'all, this is so dope, man. I feel like I've seen this so many times in like videos of D doing meets in different cities. And you know, now, hey, we're here, man. We are here. All right, y'all, we are mounting up. This is about to be crazy. A lot of bikes. Johnny Case here, all the way in Elyria, guys. I've never been to the dealership. You see the bikes pulling in behind me, but we're about to check out everything that's going on. Super exciting, crazy group ride. Of course, it would be a group ride if somebody didn't go down, unfortunately, but it looked like he was okay. It was so many people that had pulled over, so we just kept pushing. But yeah, guys, we just got here, and yeah, about to check everything out. So yo, we had the camera car over there. Flicks by Mako was shooting shots. But yeah, guys, bikes everywhere. Yeah, bikes everywhere. Looks like a really big dealership, guys. I've never been here. Like I said, this is like an hour away from where I live at, so this is way out of my stomping grounds, but super dope, guys. Super dope. Everybody's in line over there, as you guys can see, to get one of those Cleveland hoodies. It's a nice ride, man. Yeah, it was hot. Super hot, dude. Bikes everywhere, guys.
I wouldn't recommend getting a large.
Just getting inside, and look how freaking big this dealership is, man. I got a lot of stuff in here. It's enormous in here. I'll walk around a little bit. If I see anything interesting, I'll make sure I show it to you guys. But this is crazy. It's huge. It has been a movie. It has been real. Y'all see all them bikes behind us. This was a ton of fun. Dang, this was fun, y'all. We're about to make the push back, though. We about an hour from the crib, and we're about to shoot on home, y'all. We need some wind. It is hot. It is hot out here. Probably about 88 degrees, and beautiful day. Couldn't have been any better weather than what it is out here. It's just hot, y'all. So, you know, ready to catch some wind. This was dope, though. This is dope. All right, guys, as you see, your boy has made it home, got the road glide back safely. Guys, it has been such a freaking fun weekend, guys. This meet today, that FLG Cleveland meet, if you missed it, y'all missed it, man. Where was you at? This was the meet of meets for Cleveland, Ohio. We never have legendary stuff like this. So, guys, it was so dope. Huge thank you to Dylan, Fastlane D, for bringing this event to our city, guys. We had so much fun, guys. And, man, you talking about just a good time. Y'all saw that ride was epic. Man, there were so many motorcycles that took over the highway, guys. It was so much fun, guys. So, again, Dylan, huge thank you for bringing that to the city, man. We had so much fun. It was so legendary. But, guys, yeah, man, this has been a crazy weekend for me. Yesterday was Friday, guys, and Friday afternoon I got to attend the Motos America Superbike racing and the bagger racing. I got to see the HDs get down on the track, which was kind of crazy to see. That was super dope. And then I also went on a ride with one of my boys. I took the 600 out. It's back there behind the vet. But I took that out last night. We had a good cruise. Went to a little meet in a local deck. That was cool. But yeah, guys, today the FLG meet, super dope. And then later on today, I think me and Dom, we're going to hop in the vet and try to go find something to eat, drop the top once this temperature cools down, because it is so freaking hot out here. But yeah, we're going to get out, cruise a little bit later. Always remember, when God is in it, there is no limit. Your dream life is out there. You just got to go get it. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.